Thinking about upgrading your new construction home? Builders are going to throw a ton of upgrade options at you, but let's be real. Not all of them are worth the price tag, trust me. Some upgrades add long-term value while others are just overpriced and better done later for way less money. In this video, I'm going to break down the best upgrades to invest in, which ones to skip, and how to make smart choices that will actually pay off. So let's dive in. Buying a new construction home is exciting. You get to pick all of the fun details, but not all the upgrades are smart investments. Some will increase your home's value, take it from a previous appraiser, and make life easier, while others are just expensive add-ons that don't help resale value at all. So today we're going to go over which upgrades are actually worth it and which you should definitely skip. Rule number 1, if it's difficult or expensive to change later, upgrade it now while you've got the chance, right? What I mean is focus on the structural upgrades first. And here are the best structural upgrades to invest in. Number 1, flex spaces. You need that extra bedroom, home office, or loft area? It's so much easier to do right now than to try to add it later. Flooring is so important. Upgrade your floors during construction because it'll save time and money versus ripping it all out later. Windows, larger windows, bay windows. It just adds more natural light and curb appeal. It's a total win-win. Bigger closets and storage spaces. Built-in storage is a huge plus for resale value. More storage literally equals more happy homeowners. Higher ceilings creates an open and luxurious feel and just creates that wow factor. Have you ever walked into a home with 9-foot doors and 10-foot ceilings? Trust me, it is amazing and it's a showstopper every time. Your kitchen and bathrooms are the MVPs of your home's value, so this is where the upgrades are going to make the most sense. Here's a list of the best kitchen upgrades I think you should consider. Number 1, upgraded countertops. Quartz or granite hold their value much better than the standard Formica or tile options. Cabinet extensions to the ceiling. This upgrade adds extra storage and gives your kitchen a really high-end look. And don't forget about the soft close drawers and cabinets. Trust me, you're not going to miss hearing those cabinets slam at 2 a.m., right? And now here's an upgrade that most people don't really consider. A gas line installation. If gas is available in the neighborhood or an option, future buyers will absolutely love it. Here's a true story. I can't tell you how many times home buyers want a gas stove because they love to cook. And if the house doesn't have gas, they want to know how much it's going to cost to run a line to the house. So here's the moral of the story. If you are selling your home and it already has gas, you are already going to have a leg up on the competition. Plus, gas is an energy efficient option for your water heater, your grill, or dryer. So now let's jump into the bathroom upgrades. A walk-in shower instead of a tub shower combo. This is a major resale value booster and it's best done in the master bathroom. Just remember, it's good to have at least one tub shower combo in the house for families with small children. The next value is a double vanity sink in the master bathroom because nobody likes fighting over the sink in the morning or ever. And finally, tile upgrades in the showers. It just looks more upscale than the standard prefab drop-ins that you usually get with a builder, and tile is so much easier to clean. Now we're going to talk about energy efficient and smart home upgrades. These upgrades save money on utility bills and increase resale appeal. These are some of the best and most popular energy efficient upgrades to consider. Number 1, upgrade your insulation. It'll help your energy bills and temperature control. Number 2, energy efficient windows are just going to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. So look for the low E type windows, or if you're in a coastal area, use the high impact windows. They're the best. Finally, high efficiency air conditioner system. It is a must have in hot climates like Florida. Okay, so now for the best smart home upgrades. Number 1, the smart thermostat. It simply saves you money and makes life so much easier. Number 2, pre-wiring for security and surround sound. It is way cheaper to do now than later. If this is an important feature to you, spend the money right now and you'll be glad that you did. And lastly, extra outlets and USB ports. Seriously, can you ever have enough outlets? Some builder upgrades come with a huge markup, especially cabinets. So here's what to skip and to DIY later. Number 1, paint. Builder grade paint is typically cheap and doesn't last long, so hire a painter later because you'll get quality for less. Number 2, light fixtures. Builders charge a premium for those basic fixtures. Swap them out yourself for a fraction of the cost. Just buy something online or go to Home Depot or Lowe's. Number 3, cabinet hardware. I'm talking about the knobs and the pulls, and that's a super easy DIY project if you know how to use a screwdriver. But you can get exactly what you want for way less. Number 4, basic landscaping. Builders will often throw in minimal landscaping and plants that are sometimes not appropriate for the space. In a year, you may not be able to see out your front windows because all the shrubs have grown over them. So trust me, waiting lets you customize everything to your liking. Last but not least, consider the appraisal value. So before you drop a fortune on those upgrades, you got to ask yourself, will this upgrade increase the resale value or just be my personal preference? If you're not sure, ask a local appraiser. Is the builder charging way more than a local contractor might? Another good question is, will future buyers see this as a must-have or nice-to-have? For example, a walk-in shower? Absolutely. A built-in espresso bar? Not so much. We've covered a lot, so let's review. Number 1, invest in those structural upgrades that you can't easily change later. Number 2, upgrade those kitchen and bathrooms because they're going to add the most value. Number 3, consider energy efficient and smart home features to save money on the long run. Skip the overpriced builder upgrades that are cheaper to do later. And always think about the resale value before making those big decisions. If you're buying a new construction home and want some help making those right upgrade choices, just reach out to me because I'd love to help guide you through that process so you get the best value for your money. And for everybody out there that's already gone through the new construction process, drop a comment down below and let me know what's the number 1 upgrade that you think was worth the investment. I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any more home buying tips. See you in the next video.